Did you ever crave gourmet burgers in Goa? Stay tuned and watch this video till the end because it's gonna get messy. Very messy. What is up, guys? We are back in Goa. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon and we want to take you along on a delightful and memorable culinary adventure here in Anjuna, North Goa. We are visiting this gorgeous place that sells gourmet burgers with fresh ingredients. A bite from one of these burgers will take you on a journey to flavor paradise. So I am at the famous burger factory in Anjuna, so let's go inside and check out the ambience. As you step inside, the vibrant atmosphere, the tantalizing fragrances, the whistling of the palm trees and the atmosphere around just adds to the beauty of the place. So that's the kitchen in there where the culinary wizards will be working behind the scenes, busy crafting the delectable burgers with passion and precision. Now let's have a quick look at their menu. So as you can see, Burger Factory is there in Anjuna, Morjim, Nerul and Donapola. Obviously we would recommend only Anjuna because we've had the burger from here and we had it from Nerul as well, but we like the one from Anjuna, that's why we are here. So check this out, guys. They are milkshakes. We are especially interested in cashew and coconut cashew actually, and the banana peanut butter. Bar snacks we are not interested in, but there is something very interesting here, zucchini fries. And look at all the drinks and the fresh juice. They have pineapple, watermelon, orange, pomegranate. They have sides, they have extras, and this is the main section here. We have ordered the double cheddar bacon plus barbecue sauce and brie cranberry with fresh mint. And along with that, they have so many options, guys. So if you have a look, they have options in beef and pork as well. So you can pause the video and check all the rates. Check this out, guys. We have our drinks. So Adrian has gone for the banana and peanut
shake.
banana peanut shake, and I have gone here for the coconut and cashew. So guys, both the drinks are very synonymous with Goa, and look at the texture of these two drinks, guys. They look so thick and creamy. Now let's have a sip of this and review this for you. Oh my god, it is so creamy and so thick and superb taste, guys. I can taste the cashew and coconut. Who knew a concoction like this will taste so amazing? And Adrian, what is your review?
Again, it's so creamy and so filling. I'm sure if you have this, you're not going to regret it.
Look at this burger, guys. So this is the double cheddar bacon, and what else is there in this? And barbecue sauce. So let's take a bite of this. This is going to get messy, very messy. Wow, the patty inside is so soft, guys, and I can taste all the veggies. Look at the fresh ingredients that are there inside of the veggies, and the bacon tastes fantastic, and I can even taste the barbecue sauce. One more bite, guys. Very messy, but the bun is so soft, guys, and all the meat inside, the filling is super perfect. And let's check this sauce out, guys. I don't know what this is. Fantastic. This is very similar to the garlic sauce that you'll get with the shawarma. So this is some sort of a garlic sauce. Wow. I have this one to go here as well. Excuse me, Adrian just told me I have a mustache, so let me get rid of this. Let's taste the chips now, guys. Look at this. Crunchy chips. Very good combination with the burger. And guys, here we have Adrian. So Adrian looks very anxious and nervous looking at the size of the burger. Check this out, guys. So Adrian, could you quickly review your burger with the cranberry sauce and the milk? Yeah, have it slowly, no problem. How's it?
The burger is really juicy, and the cranberry sauce topped with this patty makes it a very unique combination actually.
That's super. So guys, look at this. I am not yet done with my burger. I still have this other half to go. And Adrian has also got the chips and this yummy garlic sauce here. So Adrian is going to taste that as well.
Good.
It just goes to your soul, right? No words.
The potato crisps are baked to perfection.
That's right. They were very crispy. And look at the quantity, guys. Look at how much of the crisp we have here. And even the burgers, once again, guys, are huge. And to wash all this yummy goodness down, we have our drinks left as well. So guys, cheers. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the quality of the video. We are shooting this with a new gadget, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's been a hell of an experience right now. So guys, we are not done yet. We are here in Goa for almost 10 more days, and we are going to come up with many more videos from North Goa. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, stay positive.